Guys, Bitcoin is on a massive rampage right now. Probably by the time you watch this video, the price for Bitcoin will be very different because things are moving so fast right now. Guys, today I need to talk about why we're seeing this pump. I need to talk about what the next major move is for Bitcoin. Are we going to get brutally rejected off of the 72,000 orange line up here? Remember, the last time we went up to my orange line, we had a pullback. Look at this. When we went up the first time here, we had a pullback from $68,000 down to $59,000. Guys, today I need to talk you through what I think is going to happen. Massive updates for everyone that are using my trading strategies as well. Massive profits all across the board here, guys. If you are at all involved in the crypto space, make sure to watch this video from the beginning until the end. One of my most important videos here, especially if you're using my trading strategies. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And a massive update coming for you. It was just a few hours ago when I released this video right here, talking about how I was anticipating a move from my orange line at $68,500, this one right here, up to, well, higher prices essentially. Now, this is what I said in my latest video, that I would actually enter into a trade here, and everyone that are following me, and you would also be entering if I entered here, because if you are following my trades on BitGet, Bybit, and on OKX. But I said that I have some things to deal with later on this afternoon. So for this particular thing, I was not gonna enter into this trade, although I would trade it or I would enter it. And yeah, that was very bad timing, guys. Very bad timing, because obviously after this, Bitcoin pump. This is actually what I said in that video. Dip here, take a profit on the way up. But more importantly, if you are also following my individual trades, I would actually enter into an individual trade right here and then aim to take profit up here. The reason why I'm not doing it right now is because for the next few hours after I release this video, I will not be available. I will not be looking at the markets for the next few hours because I will be in a situation I will be busy with something. So that is what I said in my latest video. And after that, obviously, Bitcoin pumped like crazy. And honestly, this, yeah, I had to give you an update because obviously I had just made that video. But what I also knew, and this goes into everyone using my trading strategies. So this part I'm going to talk about now is for everyone using my trading strategies, because when we pumped this hard, we got out of range of my first trading strategy. Okay, so we got out of range of this one right here on BitGet and on OKX and whatever. So you had to move, you have to jump into the next bot. This is why I was telling you on Twitter, urgent update to everyone copying my trades. Posted it on Twitter. I also posted it in a comment on the actual video I made, that new trading bot update on my Twitter. And then this, I just added red text here that you need to jump over to the new bot, guys. And the bot that you had been using previously, it is now trading out of range, so it's not gonna do anything at all. You need to jump over to the new bot. And here is the link for the new bot. I will talk about that in this video. But just know that the previous bot that we opened up just 6 days ago, still it's done 17% profits. That's absolutely fantastic. But yeah, 6 days ago, it is now out of range. So you need to jump over into the new bot, which I'm going to share with you here today. And as I'm saying that, we are making again a new all-time high. But let's see, this orange line, I think is gonna, yeah, it's going to be some trouble at least, but Bitcoin is so bullish right now. Bitcoin is so explosive towards the upside. So it's only a matter of time until this is going to break. And guys, it is hard because we are at new all-time highs right now. So it's very hard to add these orange lines. Okay, but the next one we have is going to be up at $83,000. So I mean, if we manage to break through this cleanly, then I am expecting us to meet the next resistance at $83,000. Of course, at some point, we're going to also meet resistance somewhere along the middle here. But the one that I think for sure is going to be resistance is all the way up here. So yeah, I just need to talk you through that as well. And now is the time, guys, that you need to pay attention. So we are entering into the most explosive parts of the bull market right now. This is the time when you tell your friends, hey guys, I am not going to be able to join you for the nights out for a little while because I'm going to make money. This is the time where you say to your girlfriend or wife, hey, can you take care of the kids a little bit more because I am going to make generational wealth for our family. This is the time when you pay attention. And your bags are already loaded. Your altcoin bags are already loaded. Your Bitcoin and Ethereum bags are already loaded if you have been following my channel, because we have been accumulating from way down. So this is the time when you activate the bell. This is the time when you pay attention. You activate the bell on YouTube. You activate the bell also on Twitter, so you get these very important notifications as they happen. You will not want to miss out, guys. Again, this is generational opportunities, once in a lifetime, that you are going to get right now. And as I'm saying that, look at this. Like clockwork, my orange line is starting to be a little bit of trouble here for Bitcoin. So even though it's very hard to add these orange lines, still, it's proven to be some resistance right here still. So I will continue to update you as always, guys. And yeah, also the trading strategies, these are not things that, like in the bear market, I had one strategy, okay? You can just use it and you can let it ride. Now we need to be more active. We need to jump back and forth between these two or even more as we go up higher for the Bitcoin price. So you are going to have to be active here, guys. You will have to continue to adapt. You will have to watch every single video that I post if you're using these trading strategies and you also want to make, like right now for my subscribers, this is not even updated. So on BitGet, I have $537,000 in profit for my subscribers. It's more, it's 516 and then it's $187,000 just in current profit. So that is more, almost like $800,000 in profit here with these two combined. And on OKX, this is not updated either, but yeah, several $1 million, creeping up towards probably $7 or $8 million in profit. So I would say we're getting close to like $10 million in total profit just with these trading strategies. And now I need to talk you through what you need to do right now if you want to join these ones. So first off, if you are using BitGet or OKX, which I recommend. So first, use OKX if you are able to. It is the best platform. So sign up for OKX right now if you want to use that. And then you have, right now, I have a new link in the description. So if you go down to the video, you have the $72,000 bot right here. So first sign up to OKX using this link right here, and then click on this one. It is going to take you to that bot. Now, if you are not able to use OKX, then use BitGet. Same thing, go to BitGet, use this link to claim the deposit bonuses. You first have to sign up. If you are not signed up and you just click on these ones, you will not get the bonuses. So click on this one, sign up, claim up to $40,000. And then I have created, guys, a new account. This will be my third account. This will be my last account. This second account that I created, it had like 500 spots left just a few days ago. The 500 spots filled up in less than 1 day. So this is your last chance, guys. 150 spots here. This is also going to be eventually 750, but right now 150 spots left. This is your last chance. I'm not going to create, I cannot have 10 different accounts, guys. So if you want to join on BitGet, if you're not able to use OKX, then you click on, first, like I said, sign up, and then you click on this link right here. It's going to take you here, and then you click on the top bot. It's already up 3%. So you click on this one, it's gonna pre-fill everything for you, and then more or less the only thing you have to do is choose the leverage you want. And for me on BitGet and OKX, I am using 10x leverage. So on OKX it's gonna be pre-filled, but on BitGet sometimes you will have the option to choose which leverage you want to use. So you subscribe up here to the right, it's gonna be a subscribe button, then click the bot and then choose the leverage, let the settings be as they are, and then just click run or something, like open or something like that, and it's gonna do its magic. Now, as you know, guys, make sure to watch my video at the top of the description. This is not risk-free. This is not guaranteed money by any means. Yes, we have been making crazy amounts so far, but it is not something that is 100% certain either. But make sure to watch this to understand exactly what all of this is about. And if you cannot use OKX or use BitGet, the last option would be to use Bybit. I do not recommend Bybit because you're not able to add more margin on this one. And also on Bybit, you sometimes have different errors, like invalid parameters or some different errors. So if you're using Bybit right now, I would recommend you to start using OKX preferably, or at the very least BitGet here as well, just in order for, it's just a better UI, a better software overall when it comes to using these trading strategies. For normal trades, that is absolutely fantastic on Bybit, but for trading strategies, they are not ideal. Now, if we look at the altcoin market, you can see that during the last 24 hours, Bitcoin is going up, Floki is going up a lot as well, but many of these altcoins, a lot of liquidity is being drained from these altcoins as Bitcoin is going up. So guys, it's when Bitcoin starts to consolidate, then a lot of this money from Bitcoin is going to enter into the altcoin markets, and that is going to be absolutely nuts, guys. So yeah, we are loaded, we are packed. These are some of the altcoins that I am following, as you know, guys, that I am bullish on. I will continue to update you. And also what I'm going to do, guys, is I am going to potentially also start trading altcoins here on my channel, like what we did here, because some people are asking me, like, after you reach $1 million from the $4,000, all documented here in the document, all documented in every single video on my channel, how we went from $4,000 to $1 million. Well, we are not there yet, but hopefully we will be there pretty soon. And yeah, once we reach $1 million, I'm going to start to use this money to show you how to make $1 million also with altcoins. So you will be able to follow from step one when I enter into altcoins and when I make $1 million with the altcoins as well. So if you're interested in that, guys, let me know down in the comment section. And as always, subscribe, activate the bell so that you get notified whenever I do that. But be prepared for volatility. And oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. My orange line is starting to, the bears are trying to defend this area, guys. And this was actually a hard level to pinpoint. Why? Because, you know, whenever we haven't broken through a price level previously, obviously the previous all-time high was at $69,000. But that makes it really hard to understand like what price point the market is going to react to. So it was hard for me and my team to identify this level. But let's see. I do think it's going to break through it eventually. But maybe, and hopefully, honestly, I hope that it's going to take a little bit of time just for everyone to kind of adapt to this new paradigm of explosive moves towards the upside. Now, also be prepared for explosive moves towards the downside, guys. This is why you also need to add more margin. If you are using my trading strategies on OKX and on BitGet, where you can add more margin, you will have the bot. If you click here, then you will have the bot right here. Then you click on details, and then you will be able to add more margin by clicking on adjust margin right here. And on BitGet, you will have the bots over on, if you click on bots, you click on futures grid, then you click on the bots you want to add margin to. Just click on this one right here, and then you can add more margin. Also, what I will say finally in regards to the trading strategies, I am only using 5x leverage on Bybit compared to 10x on BitGet and on OKX, just because you're not able to add more margin on Bybit. Okay, so I'm reducing that leverage, but on OKX and on BitGet, make sure to add more margin to make sure that you do not get wrecked. And we are going to see big pullbacks as well, guys. And when we see those, you do not want to get liquidated. So be prepared for that. But as always, guys, I will continue to update you on the journey here to $1 million. I will continue to keep you updated with everything that's going on. Traditional markets are going down a little bit right now, but Bitcoin is breaking strides, and yeah, very exciting times to be alive. Guys, this was just an update. I hope that you appreciate it. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one.